In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video lovable. Making your video stand out and engage viewers is always the ultimate goal, right? So let's dive into these steps that will help your video capture hearts and keep the audience coming back for more. First, head over to Lovable's website. That is where all the magic begins. Lovable provides a plethora of tools designed to make your video not just appealing, but endearing. Once you're on the site, you're ready to get started with your project. If you are creating a new video, the next step you'll want to take is to jump straight into the creating section. There you'll find an option to attach your video. Think of this as setting the stage for your masterpiece. Now that your video has been uploaded, it's time to prompt what you specifically want to do with your video. For instance, you might want to mute a particular segment. Why might this be important, you ask? Well, muting can sometimes help set the mood or focus attention on visual elements without the distraction of background noise. It's all about setting the right tone for your audience. After you've submitted your instructions, bear in mind that it may take a little while for the changes to be processed. This is normal, so a bit of patience will go a long way here. While you're waiting, you might want to consider what additional customizations could enhance viewer engagement. Speaking of customization, once your video is ready, you'll have the opportunity to adjust some key settings, such as autoplay, loop, and mute. These can be tailored to create an immersive experience. Additionally, you can spruce up your video by adding overlay text or a gradient. These touches can highlight important messages or simply make your video aesthetically pleasing. It's the small details that often capture the viewer's eye and make your video memorable. Now it's time to prompt any additional commands. Maybe you want to direct the audience's focus onto a particular section or adjust the pacing of your video. Sending through precise commands can help fine-tune your creation. Finally, before you hit that publish button, make sure to do a thorough preview of the video's responsiveness. This step ensures that no matter what device your audience is using, be it a phone, tablet, or computer, your video will adapt seamlessly. Checking for responsiveness is crucial because it ensures that the viewing experience remains consistent and engaging for everyone. And there you have it, the steps to making your video not just viewable, but lovable. Follow these guidelines and you'll be on your way to captivating your audience with every frame. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see your amazing creation soon.